Uh-huh. I'm just invading the turkey's privacy here for a minute. Alright, sorry. Continue grooming in peace. What is it, James? Oh, it's a vulture. It's a vulture. I think. Yeah. Hello, sir. That's why it stinks around here. Yes, sir. See that big bird, James? That's a vulture because he's eating a dead skunk. Okay, we'll let you have your... That's his lunch. Yeah, that's his lunch. Wow.
There's a turkey!
It's a long way from home. You're lucky you missed Thanksgiving there, kiddo. It's going to you.
Is it actually a turkey? Turkey Berkey!
It's going to go into a backyard.
Turkey Berkey! Turkey Berkey Berkey!
Well, it's clucking like a turkey. Or gobbling, I mean.
Oh my god! You want to shoot it with a gun? No.
Well, that's a fence. You can't get that way. Now it's going to be cornered. There you go. Good flying. Now it's into a neighbor's yard.
It'll go out though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The turkey's in someone's backyard.
First time this ever happened. Looks like a woodpecker is really confused about our house. I guess we look like we're wooden. We knew he was nearby. We've always heard him, but this is a personal visit. And Joy has no idea. Probably going to scare him away. Not her fault. Just a cool nature visit. Yep. Oh well, here we go. So here we are on a cold winter day. Oh, James is sick home on the last day of school. Lucky him. And kind of a special, different day. Rescue what? Did you rescue something?
I'll rescue.
Rescue what?
What is it?
Bird.
What? Where? Oh. Oh yeah. What's in here? Oh, yeah, we found this guy outside, hopping about, trying to stay warm. We're going to try to take care of it. I think maybe it's a baby chickadee, but we're not sure. We don't know how that will do. We hope it survives, but it's still alive now. Just won't even open its eyes because it's so cold.
Can anyone see its beak down there?
Yeah, that's its beak, and everything else looks black, but it's pure white on the breast, so that's what we figure it is.
Yeah, there's white on the breast.
Yeah.
Show the belly.
Well, it's hard to get the belly because
We
it's...
don't want to touch it because
Yeah.
if we touch it with our hands, then in nature,
Back up.
if its mother finds it, then the mother won't.
I can see it.
Reject it.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
You must not touch it, James.
Yeah.
Back up. Back up. Higher.
Okay, that's everything.
Back up. Oh! It's a but I said back up. But